it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super wonderful and well today. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing to you guys my beautiful lash line. Yes, Star Lashes by Odette is here, and all the details will be in the description box for you guys. So I do have 4 styles for you guys, and here we be, 4 different styles. I do have Joy, Faith, Romeo, and just Girly. So let's just start off with this one. This is called Joy, and let me just bring that a little close so you guys can see. I love the beautiful heart shape, iridescent bling bling kind of detail, peekaboo window that's going on there. The name of the lash is To the Top. The box is very, very simple. There is nothing too dramatic about the box because I didn't want to put too much effort into having a designer box for the lashes. I'm selling you guys the lashes, not the boxes. So I kept it really simple. I am wearing Joy on my eyes today. You're going to see a picture coming up of what this looks like in a second. And again, I wanted the package to be really simple, really beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. Joy is just a little bit more full, and you know, I love the way she looks on the eyes. And one of the things I'm going to say about these lashes is that the lashes are not very long, and when you put these lashes on, you would look like you are not wearing anything on your eyes at all. It's amazing, these lashes, and I absolutely love them, and I am so proud of them. Again, this is Joy in my hand. So this is Faith. Faith is quite beautiful. Okay, a little bit more of a flare for this one. And again, the name is to the top of the box right there. Okay, this is Faith. And the other one I do have is called Remeo. And Remeo is just a little bit more floaty. There we be. These are mink lashes. Okay, and of course, again, the name is To the Top. And this is Remeo. Okay. This is the name I was born with, Remeo. Okay, this one is Just Girly. Just Girly is so fluffy and pretty and cute. It's just Girly. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous lash. And then again, the name is To the Top. So it took me a little while to choose the packaging for these lashes. Again, I thought, what color should I go with? What should I do? Should I go round, oblong, triangle? What shape do I want for these lashes? And again, you know what, I thought just something really simple. Everything in my life is really, really simple. I don't make a big deal with anything that goes on in my life. I try to live my life as simple as possible, and I want my brand to be a very simple, classy, beautiful brand as well. The lashes are gorgeous. And for the ordering process, you're going to be getting a set of 2 for £11.99. Okay, I think that's an awesome price point. If you need to order anything, just send me a DM. My Instagram handle will be in the description box for you guys, and you will be getting 2 of everything. If you want to have 2 of Just Girly, 2 of Remeo, 2 of Faith, 2 of Joy, if you want to mix them up, that's fine. But you are going to be getting 2 sets of lashes in your packages, and your your lashes will be coming in either one of these boxes. You do not have a choice of which color box you to get. It's all random. You're either going to receive a white, a rose gold, or a red. I know a couple of you already did receive your PR packages, which I'm happy for you guys as well. And I can't wait to hear your thoughts on these lashes. They are beautiful. The ordering process is really, really easy. £11.99 for 2 of them. And I may or may not throw in something a little extra when you do an order. I'm not going to say that I'm doing this for every single person, but I just might throw something extra in your package when you place an order. And you know, the line is really beautiful, and I'm very, very proud of this beautiful lash line that I do have here. I am wearing Joy on my eyes, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and I don't even look like I'm wearing any lashes. Here is a kicker, guys. If you as someone who wears glasses, these lashes are for you. So here we go. Glasses are on, and here we be. I am wearing my glasses. I just have a little flicker on my on the lens, but it's not uncomfortable at all. I can wear my glasses all day and makes me look really cute and classy and make me look a little bit bossy. but I really like the fact that I can actually wear my glasses with these lashes and no problem. It depends on how you want to wear your glasses. I'm sorry, it depends on how you want to wear your glasses. Some people wear the glasses down here, and I just like to have my glasses fit snug on my nose, and as a matter of fact, I'm not even feeling any flicker on the lens at all. If you are a glasses wearer and you want your eyes to look a little sexy, a little bit more dramatic, a little bit beautiful, pick up on Joy. Joy is beautiful. She is going to make your eyes look so pretty. If you do have reading glasses, put your reading glasses on, no problem. Put Joy on your eyes and you are not going to be affected. And I'm blinking my life away. I have no issues with this at all. So if you are a glasses wearer, these lashes are for you. I know some women love to wear their lashes every single day and not being able to wear their glasses, you know, when they work, when they're driving, whatever the case may be. With this particular style of Joy, you can definitely wear your glasses, no problem at all. And you know, as a matter of fact, I am not even feeling any flickering on the lens of my glasses at all. I'm not feeling anything because this is exactly how I wear my glasses. It's not down to my nose. It just fit me exactly where my glasses should fit. It's not uncomfortable at all, and I can wear this style of lash every single day. So if you are somebody who wears glasses and wants to wear lashes, please pick up on Joy. You are not going to regret it. The lashes are beautiful, and the style of lashes that I do have in my brand, you know, the inside corner of the lashes is a little bit short and it flares a little bit on the outside, so that really does give you the option of making your eyes look very beautiful, very sexy, and it frames your face, whatever shape face you have. These lashes are going to shape your they would frame your eyes really nicely, and I really hope you guys love these lashes as well. Again, basically for glasses wearers, this is for you. Okay, so again, all the ordering process will be in the description box for you guys. It's £11.99 for a set of 2. I cannot sell you just one pair. You are going to be getting 2 of them in your package. If you want to mix it up a little bit, to say you want one Girly, one Remeo, a Faith and a Joy, however you want to place your order, you're going to be getting 2 sets, okay? And just let me know in the DM what, you know, what style you want, and it's going to be shipped for you guys. But what I'm going to say again, if you are wearing glasses, Joy is for you. I love the way, let me just bring that close so you can see. Okay, there we go. This is Joy. Okay, beautiful, perfect glasses, perfect lashes for your eyes. And I will definitely recommend Joy for you guys if you are wearing glasses like myself, because you know, I have lots of lashes in my collection, and you know, some of them are really long and I cannot wear my glasses with those lashes. If I'm doing something, let's say going to an event where I don't need to wear my glasses, yes, I'm going to put those extra length on in my eyes. But I was looking for a particular style of lashes that would really fit me and suit my style, okay? And especially for women who are over 50, my age, who really wants to start wearing glasses and, you know, trying to make yourself look a little bit more sexy, you know, you're trying to up your game a little bit. Get Joy and, you know, put it on your eyes, put your glasses on, a little bit of a makeup, some hair, and you're good to go, all right? So I know some of you already did receive your PR packages in the mail. Some of you, it will be delayed. The reason being, I ordered the envelopes from my ordering place, and this is what came in the mail. I was like, what the hell is this? And this is a package you're going to be getting when you order your lashes. And I'm thinking, this doesn't even fit. So there is going to be a little bit delayed for some of you who are waiting for your PR. The wrong size of envelope came in the mail. Sorry, guys. And so when you place your order, your orders will be coming in either one of these boxes. You don't have a choice of which boxes you're going to receive. When I did ask you guys, when I did contact you to send you PR, I asked which boxes you prefer. But for when you place your orders, it's just random. White, gold, or red is going to be coming. And again, you are going to be getting a set of 2, nicely packaged in the box with all the wrapping paper and all of that stuff. this is what's going to be coming in your package, okay? And I really do hope you guys will love the lashes like I do. And again, if you are wearing glasses, joy is for you. I do have joy on my eyes right now, and this is my glasses. My glasses is going on my eyes. How beautiful is that, guys? It looks so stunning. So beautiful, so gorgeous. I really, really love it. And there we be. So I do hope you guys will extend your support if you guys wish. It's no pressure. All of the details will be in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to place your orders. Orders are ready to go, and I've already sent out a few orders already because there were some people who were actually waiting in the wings and sending me DMs waiting for these lashes to come alive. And I'm so happy that I had an opportunity to send, you know, those orders out, which was really amazing. And when you guys receive your PR packages in the mail, just be honest with your opinion, and if you don't like them, just say. But I always appreciate feedback, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box for you. Let me know what you think of the lashes, especially if you wear glasses. If you're looking for some of these, this is the brand for you. And again, all the ordering details will be in the description box for you guys. And there we be. So I thank you for tuning in today to watch this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Appreciate your time today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.